Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. The last 24 hours has seen some pullback in the market. The last 24 hours has seen Bitcoin, the king of the market, fall below the $80,000 level. Bitcoin dominance sits at 60%. Ethereum is still struggling around 2,200, 2,300. Solana got to as high as $96 right now. Solana is trading at the $90 level. Take a look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. Where are we heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Fear is back in the market. We had a brief period of neutral sentiment in the market. The last few weeks have been seeing optimism slowly returning back to the market, which is a good sign. We talk about altcoin season and also look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. While market participants still divided on where the market is heading to, we'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Liquidations in the cryptocurrency market over the last 24 hours, guys, have been increasing. According to CoinGlass data, in the last past 24 hours, 124,000 traders were liquidated, with total liquidation coming in around $393.47 million. The largest liquidation order happened on Binance. A trader was liquidated for $11.75 million. The Bulls lost $341 million. The Bears are short $51.93 million. It seems a lot of market participants got too hyper bullish. They expected so much from the markets. The pump we've seen over the last few weeks has gotten to a lot of people's head. They expected it to just continue pumping to higher prices. But on the bigger time frame, guys, Bitcoin is still up in Q2 of 2026. Bitcoin is up 15.8% in Q2. Ethereum is just up 6.89% from the month of May. Bitcoin is still up 3.57%. If Bitcoin ends the month of May positive, that will be 3 consecutive months of positive price action. For Ethereum, on the other hand, it's slightly negative for the month of May. Hopefully, it will turn positive. If we take a look at the charts, Bitcoin and Ethereum, yes, that is in a lot of market participants right now. For Ethereum, it just went above the 100-day moving average. Feels like it's having a pullback, might go down to as low as $2,144. But long-term plan for Ethereum is to see it above $3,000, to see it probably at the $4,000 level at some point in time in 2026. The crowd is always wrong at the extreme. That's one mantra I always live by. Anytime the crowd says we're going to go up, we're going to go down. The crowd says we're going to go down, we're going to go up. Because the market is not designed for most people to make money. So anytime there's a general consensus idea or general consensus on direction we want to go, the market finds a way to go the opposite direction. Most people are going to lose money in the markets. If you want to make money in the market, you have to do opposite what the crowd is doing. Bitcoin, the king of the currency market, also is above its 100-day moving average. Bitcoin trades around $79,000. We've seen Bitcoin get to as high as $82,000 over the last 1 week. The next big move is going to be crazy. That's the next move. I believe we're going to see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been in the charge, rightly so. That's how the cryptocurrency market works. Bitcoin moves, altcoins follow. But then when we start getting end of a rally, when we start getting to the end of a cycle, we start seeing that flip, and that flip is when altcoins start performing Bitcoin. Altcoins will be pumping harder than Bitcoin. We've been seeing some early signs of that. If you go on a weekly time frame right now, we're seeing some altcoins already pumping 20%, 30%. While Bitcoin, the last 1 week, is down 2%. If you zoom out again, ask yourself what's happening on the monthly time frame. How is Bitcoin performing over the last 1 month? Bitcoin is up 6.6% over the last 1 month. Ethereum is down 4.5%. And take a look at a lot of altcoins in the market. They are doing fantastically well. Toncoin up 48%, Zcash up 44%, Injective up 68%, Sui, Stacks, Penguin. Basically, any altcoin you held over the last 1 month would have probably outperformed Bitcoin and Ethereum. But guys, the journey is not over. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. But the higher we go, the more we see a lot of market participants flowing back into the market. I still believe we'll still see Bitcoin trade around the $100,000 level in 2026 from where we're currently trading right now. For Bitcoin to make that move towards $100,000, we still need to see Bitcoin move up by around 25%, which for Bitcoin is very, very possible. Can happen in 7 days, can happen in 1 month, can happen in 2 months. Historically, when that pump comes, it comes very fast. It catches a lot of market participants off guard. Now, the stock market has been going to new all-time highs. S&P 500 has been pumping to new all-time highs after all-time highs. And that's one thing I've been asking myself, is this time different? Will the stock market just go to all-time highs without cryptocurrency market joining the party? I don't think so. I believe the cryptocurrency market is going to finally catch up. I've seen the stock market pump by 17% in 45 days. The cryptocurrency market is actually outperforming, but because of how low we dumped goblin town when we crashed on the 10th of October 2025. That's why it's taking a lot of time for us to recover. A lot of market participants got wiped out then, and right now they are still not back in the green. If you look at the top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, is still in the charge. Total cryptocurrency market cap sits around $2.62 trillion. The next move in the cryptocurrency market should still blast above that $3 trillion level. That's going to be a very, very important level for the cryptocurrency market. That $3 trillion level, we need to rally by around 15% to get there. For us to get to the 3.5, $3.6 trillion level, we need to see around the 90, around the 39% pump to the upside. And these pumps, guys, are going to be very, very swift. The top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization over the last 7 days. We just have Bitcoin. No, Bitcoin is not even the positive over the last 7 days. We have BNB, we have XRP, we have Solana, we have Ton and Dogecoin. Hyperliquid is also negative. Hyperliquid is down 9.3% over the last 7 days. Ethereum is down 1.7%. Bitcoin is down. Ethereum is down 3%. Bitcoin is down 1.9%. But if you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, we saw sentiment improving over the last 1 week. We saw the fear and greed index tells us right now a lot of market participants are considering buying, or maybe some of them are already buying. We saw extreme fear gripping the market slowly but surely. We start seeing neutral sentiments, and we had this period in time where there was 3 consecutive days of neutral sentiment. But right now, there's some fear back in the market. Hopefully, by this time next week, we would have gone back to greed. Maybe you have gone back to extreme greed. Things can move very, very quickly in the cryptocurrency market. You have to plan that trade for you to get that reward. If you don't take a risk, you can't get the reward. Look at the altcoin season index. The next few days are going to be very, very interesting in the cryptocurrency market. I was predicting that we're going to see altcoins in 2026. Altcoins season of 2025 was very, very underwhelming. And before the end of this month, or probably early next month, we should see alts in an altcoin season where altcoins are singing kumbaya. Because right now, a lot of altcoins are starting to outperform Bitcoin on the 1 month time frame, even though Bitcoin is still up around 7.5% over the last 1 month. A lot of altcoins are doing better than that. And over the next few days, you're going to see the altcoin season index tells us when an altcoin month. That altcoin month is going to probably bring great back to the cryptocurrency market, probably send to that cryptocurrency market cap, excluding Bitcoin, flying to the moon right now. Positive signs around the board in the cryptocurrency market, altcoin market is also showing positive signs above the 100-day moving average. Let's look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. I still believe Bitcoin dominance is going to dump. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is at 60%. But when that Bitcoin dominance dump, don't forget, guys, altcoins are going to go crazy. AI chatbot Claude helps man recover 5 Bitcoin after finding old seed phrase. The crypto investor made Claude search through 2 MacBooks, 2 external hard drives, an Apple Note export, iCloud Mail, Gmail, and X messages to retrieve the Bitcoin. A Bitcoiner post has gone viral on X after he claimed a Bitcoiner post has gone viral on X after he claimed to use Anthropic AI chatbot to recover 5 Bitcoins worth $320,000 that he has been unable to access for more than a decade. That's good to see. Putting AI to good use. Bitcoin price history suggests 77% odds of new all-time high within a year. Bitcoin reduces its drop from all-time highs to 5% in a move that sparked new BTC all-time highs within a year on 7 occasions in the past. The market is very, very divided right now. We have some bulls that believe that we're going to be pumping to the moon, myself included. Then we have some bears in the market that believe, no, the bear market is not over. The bear market is usually 1 year. We're 1 year into the bear market, and Bitcoin is going to bottom in Q4 of the midterm years. Bitcoin is going to bottom in October, yada, yada, yada. Guys, you have to plan your trade, and you have to trade that plan. You have to trade what's in front of you. Right now, Bitcoin is showing some early signs of progress that is recovering. Traders says Ethereum ready for a strong move after price taps $2,300. Market analysts see fresh Ethereum upside, followed by JPMorgan and BlackRock tokenized fund moves plus the looming Clarity Act catalyst. The Clarity Act hopefully will be passed today. Hopefully, it will have a markup today in the US Senate. But that's been the talk of the town over the last 1 week. A lot of market participants are expecting big things from the Clarity Act. More news story going around the cryptocurrency market. Poly market volume declines for the first time since August. Prediction market trading volume has been tracking monthly gains as the sector gains popularity among short-term traders, but competition is also increasing. All good things come to an end. We saw this with Solana meme coins. They had their own time in the sun. They were popping front, left, and center, and then the decline came. Charles Schwab launches crypto trading for the first group of clients. Carl Schwab has begun rolling out Bitcoin and Ethereum trading for his first batch of retail clients, letting them trade crypto alongside stocks ETF in a single brokerage account for a 75 basis point fee. I remember when crypto was still illegal, when companies and financial institutions say crypto is rat poison, you don't touch it and everything. And right now, one after the other, we're seeing them allowing their clients trade crypto. Are we still going to see a bull market? This was going to launch us to the moon. Only time will tell. Where Ethereum Foundation hits Glamsterdam milestone, name new protocol lead. Ethereum Foundation has finalized a new gas limit floor and improved main proposal for its Glamsterdam upgrade, which is likely to go sometime live in the third quarter of 2026. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Fear is back in the cryptocurrency market. We're getting ready for that epic 2026 altcoin season. Bitcoin, the king of the market, trades below $80,000. Ethereum still struggling around $2,300, $2,200. I'm expecting Bitcoin dominance to start that orderly decline that will send altcoins going crazy. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. How are you bullish? Do you expect altcoins to go crazy? Are you buying altcoins right now? Do you see the market turning bullish anytime soon? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.